Hi Sanjog. I have a doubt here. So in divisions, I have created one custom field which I have marked as is encrypted, and I have given access to some of the employees. So the currently logged in employee doesn't have access to this field. And if I go to the add division page now, I provided all the mandatory values, but here the user is able to enter data. Even though user doesn't have access to this field, user is able to enter data. You can save it. Yeah, user can save the division with this custom field, which user doesn't have access to. And if I do save and close and open this again, yeah, now I'm getting this message. But I mean, is it okay? User doesn't have access to the custom field and still able to enter the data for that custom field. Do you think we should restrict entering data for the custom field for which user doesn't have access to? Yeah, let me know. Thank you.